The first thing you should know about the GED test is that there are four subjects: reasoning through language arts, social studies, math, and science. The reasoning through language arts section is also known as RLA, and I'll be calling it RLA throughout the video. So on the RLA section, there will be roughly 51 questions. You'll have 150 minutes for this section, and the section is split into three parts. You'll have 35 minutes for part 1, 45 minutes for part 2, which is the extended response, also known as the essay, which I'll be talking about more later on in the video, and you'll have a third part that's 60 minutes. Parts 1 and 3 include grammar and reading comprehension questions. I recommend being prepared to read passages and answer question types such as multiple choice and drag and drop style questions. The topics on the RLA section include reading for meaning, identifying and creating arguments, and grammar and language. For social studies, you'll have roughly 35 questions, you'll have 70 minutes, and calculators are permitted. The mathematical reasoning section, also known as simply math, has 46 questions, and you'll have 115 minutes to answer them. This section includes two parts: a no calculator section, which has 5 questions, but then you'll be allowed to use your calculator for the second part, which includes 41 questions. The math topics include basic math, geometry, basic algebra, and graphs and functions. For the science section, you'll have roughly 34 questions. You'll have 90 minutes to complete them, and your calculator is allowed. So the science topics include reading for meaning in science, designing and interpreting science experiments, and also using numbers and graphics in science.